if you wasn't here, I would have been there all day.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey, how are you?
So how's your day going?
I saw you.
Was my butt crack showing?
I'm recording in the studio in Midtown, like with people who are local, so.
Okay.
Oh, not bad. I expected much worse. As you can see, just reached Miami. The weather is nice. The water is turquoise. What else do you need? I'm about to film 5 subscribers. Very excited. As always, the full episodes are gonna come every Sunday, but I'm gonna give you a little highlight and sneak peek behind the scenes. Enjoy. So Jordan.
My name is Damon.
I'm Lawrence.
My name is Axel.
My name's Kendrick.
As you can tell, I have a speech disability and it makes it hard. Like
For the past couple of months, I've been a shell of myself almost. Like
I was with my wife for 16 years, so.
I see a cute girl and it's like a mental block, and it's like a wall is between me and her, so it's like
They're so, it feels so hard because they're eating and I feel like I'll be disturbing them,
I think she was on the phone when she looked at me and started walking past her. I was like, okay.
and she just wasn't feeling it, so.
Are you doing more filming these days? Actually, he just filmed me one interaction in the park. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well?
I can.
You are absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
And so I wanted to say hello.
Thank you so much.
See how's your day going?
Good.
444. You believe in that? My phone number ends in 444.
Really?
Yeah, it's destiny, right?
I guess so. I guess so.
Pretty girls, they don't mind getting approached.
Hey, how you doing?
are you guys sisters or like friends? Oh no, yeah, friends, yeah.
Do you live here?
No, I live in New York.
Oh, cool.
Originally, I'm from France.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
Alabama.
Alabama, nice. I really want to go to Alabama, actually.
Really?
Excuse me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sneak up on you, but I was just.
What's electric? You're Uruguay. How long are you in Miami for?
No, it's all good. What'd you get me?
I didn't get you nothing.
Not even water.
How was that?
Yeah, so yeah.
You win some, you lose some,
is
right?
what it is.
It is what it is. Oh well.
And hold on, what's with the colors? You look like you work for the, road security, like the road, like...
I might. That's why I'm going after this. That's my day job.
Oh, I'm a realtor too.
Oh, you are?
I swear to God.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And your name?
You said you like the color? What? Oh.
D-Lo, bro, you're gonna see her, bro, and you're gonna be like, Damon, bro, this might be your best work yet.
Are those your house keys?
Yeah. I live in a playhouse.
Nice.
Actually, those are the keys to my job.
Oh yeah. It's the office.
Yeah.
Damn. I see.
People in general like having conversations. Like you're not bothering anybody. Like, this your boy here? Yeah, we just met him. How you doing, Jordan?
Pablo, nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm your boy now, I guess.
Yeah.
Shit. This is not like me being corny. Like all 3 of you guys have gorgeous eyes.
Oh, thank you. You gonna do some slack riding?
I tried. Can you do it? It's so hard.
Yeah.
Really? You can do it?
I mean, I've done it before. Is that your friend?
How are you, bro? Nice to meet you. Oh!
What's up, man? I recognize you from a video for sure.
Yeah, Jordan's a star.
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? What's up? Been a while.
Usually, like,
I feel good. I feel really good.
Yeah, hold on. Is this the first time that you get a number like this during the day, kind of like bowler?
Probably. Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
when's the last time you did it? Do you not remember because it never happened, or it's old age?
No,
like, memory is starting to fail.
I need to go to the old age people's home. How old are you?
25.
Yeah, you see, you guys are all young.
How old are you?
23.
23? Damn. How old are you?
20.
Oh yeah, 20. Are you coming? I even feel old now.
Ruben. Let me see your hair.
I'm sitting on this side.
Man, we cute as fuck.
I know, with the palm tree in the back and shit.
Damn.
Nice to meet you. Muy guapo. I think you're
It's like Wonder Woman.
Yeah, that's it. Do you want to call me?
Yeah. And
now I can't wait till my new
video comes out. I'm about to be flexing all
But I'd love to get a glass of wine, maybe later today or maybe tomorrow.
Sure. Tomorrow, probably.
Let's do tomorrow?
Yeah? Well, so nice to meet you,
Nice to
Ruben.
meet you. Enjoy the rest of the day.
It was a pretty good interaction. She was we were like vibing off of each other, so
Jordan, man.
Yeah, I'm on fire, right?
I'm proud, man.
Thank you.
I'm proud.
She's leaving tomorrow. She doesn't speak English. However, I did pull the Google Translate.
So Ruben, so the guy's name is also Ruben. Ruben, this
Ruben,
one's for you.
you put me on game. That wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for you.
Making me look good.
Yeah, exactly.
Not like you, Kyle, motherfucker.
Damn it, Kyle.
Ruben, you get me one of those hats?
I'm gonna try to do it.
I gotta turn that shit on, but.
Would you get one? No. Would you get a black one or a pink one? Really?
I will update the channel with how my night goes.
Okay guys, so that's it. I'm about to leave Miami. It's been real. I filmed 5 people, including Lawrence and Jordan over here. If you guys want to hang out with me, shoot me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us and we'll make it work. That's it for today. See you next time.
You know, I got the social animal bug. Like, what can I say?
Get to know him, but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll.